6 powerful reasons why people don't take you seriously and how to fix it. If you've ever felt ignored, undervalued, or not taken seriously, this message is for you. Sometimes the problem isn't your talent, it's your habits. Let's talk about 6 powerful reasons why people may not give you the importance you deserve and what you can do about it. Number 1. You talk too much instead of listening. In conversations, balance is everything. If you're always the one talking, especially in moments where you should be listening, people start tuning you out. When you speak too often, your words lose weight. But when you listen carefully and speak thoughtfully, your words carry power. Strong people don't speak more, they speak with purpose. Number 2. You don't keep your word on time. If you say you'll do something at a certain time and you repeatedly fail to follow through, people stop trusting you. Trust is built through consistency. The moment your promises become uncertain, your credibility starts fading. Reliability builds respect, broken promises destroy it. Number 3, you undervalue yourself. If you constantly downplay your abilities, "I'm not that good, it's nothing special, I don't think I can," people begin to believe what you say about yourself. When you shrink your own identity, others won't expand it for you. Confidence isn't arrogance, it's self-respect. If you don't value yourself, why should others? Number 4, you laugh when you should be serious. There are moments in life that demand maturity. If you joke or laugh in serious situations, people may see you as immature or irresponsible. Understanding the emotional tone of a moment shows emotional intelligence. Respect the moment, and the moment will respect you. Number 5, your words and actions don't match. You make big promises. You say you'll change, you say you'll improve, but nothing actually changes. When actions don't support words, people stop believing both. Speak less, do more. Let your results talk. Number 6, you don't respect yourself. The way you treat yourself teaches others how to treat you. If you tolerate disrespect, ignore your own boundaries, or accept less than you deserve, people will follow that example. Self-respect is silent but powerful. When you carry yourself with dignity, the world adjusts. Give yourself importance first. Remember, respect isn't demanded, it's earned through character, consistency, and confidence. Fix these habits and watch how people start taking you seriously, because the moment you change your standards, the world changes its behavior toward you.